Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So today I will discuss one of the interview questions. So they have already asked this question in one of the company. Okay, it's like a MNC company. I will share all the interview question and answers soon. Okay, so actually the question is, so we having the country, right? These are the countries are there, and this is your input, and you have to count the number of occurrence, right? So using hash map you have to write this code. If you have a different way then you can also try, but I'm using this hash map to get this output. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to create one method, public static void number of country. Okay, so this is your number of country, ARR. Okay, now what I can do, I will create one hash map, a string, and I will take this is your integer. Okay, and hm equal to new hash map. Okay, then after that, what I can do, I will take one for each loop, a string strarr. Then after that, what I can do, if okay, this one, if any country name is already exist, okay, that contains, okay, so in this case what I can do, if it is already exist, then what I can do, hm dot put off. Okay, so here hm dot we having the get method, then we will increase this value. Okay, okay, dot plus one. Okay, I'll explain you each line of the code, so you should not worry about that. Okay, so here or in else condition, what I can do, in else condition, hm dot put of str1. Okay, sorry, I have to give one. Okay, and now I will print this. So simply I can print this. So I will print this This is your hash map. So we can print here. So this hash map I have printed here. Okay, and now I will call this method. Okay, so we are calling this method here. So I'm calling this method new. This is called your anonymous array. If you don't know array and all, one second, I have to pass this string. Okay, and what you have to do here. Okay, let me run this. First, let me check it's working or not. Then I will explain you each line of the code. Okay, no worries. So you can see this is the output what we are expecting. So USA, China, Australia, and India, we having the two types. Now the question is how this code is working, right? So let me debug this code. Okay, if you don't know how to debug, just you can put here toggle point. If you will do double click, you will get this toggle point, and you can run in a debug mode. Okay, so I'm going to run in debug mode. Okay, so if you want to switch, you can switch, but I'm not going to switch. Okay, if you will switch, you will get some another window here. So I'm not going to switch here. Okay, so now we are in the debug mode. In the debug mode, what will happen? You will get each line of the code, how this code will work. Okay, okay, and see. You can see we having the step into and a step over. A step into means it will go inside this method. If you are calling the method inside this, so I don't want to go inside this method, so it will go for, I want to debug line by line. So if I will go for a step over, okay, you can see now So the first steps, we are inside this method, and here we having the empty hash map, right? So we don't have anything here. Then after that, this is your for each loop. Then again, I'm going to press a step over. You can see now we are inside this each iteration. So we having the India. First is your India. You can see in this hm dot contains key will check in hash map this is there or not. You can see this is the first occurrence, right? This is the first iteration. Definitely our map hash map is empty. So what happened? This condition is false. So the control will go in your else condition. So if I will go for mouse hover, you can see now we are in else condition because contains key is this is your empty, right? So this condition will false. If you don't know how to work if else condition, you can follow my playlist. I have already explained the multiple scenario how the if else condition is working. Okay, so now if I will go here and step over, you can see now we having the India and one occurrence. In the second iteration, what happened? We have a China. In China hash map, it's not there, right? So what happened? Again, this condition will go false. If I will go a step forward, then it will go in the else block. Then here we will get our another occurrence of, you know, sorry, it's will be a USA. Actually, it's randomly it's iterating the value. Okay, sorry, this is the USA. I was confused. So this is the input we are passing. Okay, so here USA. So USA is not there, right? So in this condition, what happened? Here it will store inside this. Then USA is the first occurrence. Then India is your first occurrence. Okay, and now again I will do mouse a step forward. You can see now we are coming India. India is already there, right? India is already there. So in this condition, what will happen? If we will do a step forward, this condition will true because India is already there. Then again, it will increase the value. You can see I'm increasing one, right? So it will become two. Got it right? Then it will go for another loop. So again, we having the India two times. Now we have Australia. So this is the your first time. Then it won't we go inside this F block, then it will go for else block. Then we have another occurrence of Australia. Then again we have a China. So China having the only one times. If I will go for this, this condition will false. If you have a duplicates, right, then it will go inside this if, or it will go inside this else block. So you can see now, and you can see now guys, so here we are able to find the number of occurrence, and this is how this code will work. Okay, so if you don't know how this code is working and all, you can just debug and you can try to understand. Okay, so that's it in this video guys. So let me execute one more time to find the output, complete output, how it will display. I can see this is the output we are getting. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Ingenious TechHub. You will get many good content in my channel. Okay. Okay. So let me show you some important concept, important playlist for my channel. If you will go for Ingenious TechHub, so we have a playlist for top level of the interview question and answer. You know, you will get here top level of the MNC company interview question and answer. Okay, and here we are already uploaded. This is all a repeated question. Okay, if you are attending the interview, please do this program. This is very important for you guys. This is repeated multiple times repeated. This code I already shown you. If you will go for our first code, write a program to find the duplicate characters. So the concept are same, just they have given the different scenario. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.